northeast boys, northeast, walk northeast, walk northeast.
Nasa harapan mo na, diba?
Yo, scatter, come back southwest, come back. Itong choke na to pag-playan natin ha. Foods up kapag hindi pa kayo nakapag-foods up ha. Yung mga nagre-OC.
Heavy brawl sila, heavy brawl.
Okay. Let them. Okay, kung heavy brawl sila, papasok sila sa atin. Yo boys, come southwest. Walk southwest pa. Southwest pa. D-tanks, iwan nyo, southwest lang. Bibait ka boss Gabo ha. No. Come northeast. Walk northeast now. Party 2. Northeast in 3, 2, 1. East. Okay. Now hold. Hold west. Come back west. Back west lang.
Facing, engaging.
Backwest lang.
Facing, engaging.
Defend. Everyone. East in 3, 2, 1. East now. On me. Huge clump, boys. Huge clump. Walk east. Q's and W's. West. Come back west. Feel for your healers. West ka. West more. Healers. Dikit kayo sa amin healers. Dikit kayo sa amin. South. Yo. Engage south in 3, 2, 1. South. On me. On the ground. Good job. Now west. Q's and W's west. Q's and W's lang. Keep walking west. Feel for your healers sa likod. Lookies, boys. Lookies. Feel for your healers. Easy la, boys. Easy la. Pilang. You're good, boys. Keep walking northeast. Boys. Engaging east in 3, 2, 1. South ko. On my clump. Hit, boys. Hit.
Engage sila.
Now, ready defensives. Spread, boys. Spread.
Tapos na sila mag-engage out.
Yo, finish kills, boys. Finish the kills, boys. Finish the kills. Ready defend. You're clumping up, boys. You're clumping up. Yo, boys. Now walk east pa. Walk east. Defend. Ano to? Healers, dikit lang kayo sa amin, healers. Yo. Ready engage. Pats now. Yo. On the crown. Find the crown now.
Running na sila, Jabo.
Gago, Pangina, chase them. Patayin nyo to.
Dismount ka siya po.
Kill them, catch them. Panginang yan.
Taksikin mo yan. Bago na.
Catch nyo lahat. Para
Again
worth
daw.
it yung yung OC nyo. Ano daw?
Again daw.
Sige, balik sila ka mo.
Sabi sa'yo, egoist yan eh. Kahit na wipe yan, babalik yan.
Mount up. Loot up pala.
Hinabol pa tayo ba?
Loot up. Pagpakina.
Pero maraming nawala sa inyo.
Chase nyo pa. Pwede pa kayo mag-chase, boys. Get those kill fames, boys.
Bagong call sa top.
Wala. No GG call. Ayun ang yan.
Dito.
Egoist din sila eh. Chase. Sige, chase lang. Magre-regear pa yung mga yan eh. Magre-regearin natin
Punta kayo
sila
sa
lahat. Chase lang. Keep chasing lang. Buti nakita ako.
Kung ina, kaya pala din nyo napapatay. Puro kayo tank eh.
Buti nakita ko, hinihit yung backline natin.
Dalawa
Kaya
lang namatay sa
nagpa-AWS ako.
first party.
May namatay ba sa second party?
Hindi ko alam.
Wala.
Steelers. Wala.
Wala
Ano lang.
namatay.
Alright. Di, rin kasi maliit lang sila eh, so, na to. Come to clips ulit, pang tier loot.
Bigyan lang sila ng
Pero
nakaraan kasi.
lakas
Hey,
ng
go,
heavy brawl nila.
Jenkins, you help me, help Jenkins. On ping.
Ping.
Wina 1v1 siya.
Nag-NB
Bakit ko kaya
lang
yun?
yan.
Sige, kapag may loots kayo, bang tayo sa cliff. On top, boys. On top ka na rin, Jenkins. Huwag niyo na habulin. On top ka na, Helve. Everyone, on top.
Sayang yung ibon ni Sonic.
Mag-
Trash.
Sorry, namatay siya.
Oh, namatay.
Baka isa siya dun sa, pinipitas ng mga, nila.
Ang
So,
lakas kasi
ganun pala yung
ng-
playstyle nila.
Lakas ng heavy bro nila.
Oo, diretso likod. Kapag ganun, guys,
Lumapit kayo sa crown men pag ganun.
Oo, yung mga healers,